Well, the Texas Senate is considering legislation that would enhance law enforcement's response to mass shootings. KENS 5 reporter Zach Briggs spoke with the lawmaker behind the bill and how one victim's family is responding.
Former Uvalde mayor turned state representative Don McLofflin says he hopes this legislation leads to every law enforcement agency being on the same page if and when there's another mass shooting.
This will give citizens, parents with kids in school that knowing that there's going to be accountability.
State Representative Don McLofflin is forever haunted by the tragedy that pierced the Uvalde community on May 24, 2022. He was mayor at the time.
There was a failure on law enforcement that day. You had numerous agencies there, numerous officers there, but there was no coordination amongst any of the agencies.
House Bill 33 would require all law enforcement agencies to carry out yearly active shooter drills that align with a uniform plan developed by the Advanced Law Enforcement Rapid Response Training Center at Texas State University. Federal grants to carry out the training would be available.
That way, if one agency gets there first and they fail to take action or set up what needs to be done, the next agency knows immediately what needs to be done and goes forward and does it.
You can teach, you can train, you can write, you can implement, you can do all these things.
Jessie Rizzo, niece of robbed victim Jackie Kazidus, welcomes the mission of the Uvalde Strong Act, but he believes more must be done.
If you fail to do your duty, your responsibility, then we will seek action against you, right? And that determination that is hold you accountable, for that failure.
And Uvalde Police Chief Homer Delgado expressed his support in an emailed statement saying that if the legislation passes, it will help rebuild trust between law enforcement and the community. I'm Zach Briggs, KENS 5.